Hello, online learners. Let's see if you can see our classroom. So today we are recording in class. Wave, everybody. Just wave. All right, so since you guys online do not have Unifix cubes, what we are going to do in class is we're going to model them for you. So I have a train of 10. I'm going to grab a bucket to make it stacked up a little bit more. All right, so my in-class folks also have trains of 10. My in-class folks, will you guys show them your train of 10? Hold it up, hold it up. Nice. We have a train of 10 Unifix cubes. So I have my train of 10 Unifix cubes right here. And you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are going to write some equivalent equations to what we've been doing with our 9s and 10s, but we're going to start with 10s today first. So I'm going to write 10 minus, and I'm going to put a box right here. 10 minus something equals something. All right, for my kiddos in class, everybody hold up your train of 10. I'm going to call some random people, and I'm going to have you guys come on up here. What I need you to do, though, is you're not going to bring your train of 10 up to me. You're going to bring me a train of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Or 10. Your choice. All right, friends. We are going to be subtracting. So we're going to take away. So break your train into whatever number you want now. Raise your hand when you are ready. Nice. I see some people that are ready. Awesome. Once you have your train broken up, I'm going to call on someone random. Stevie, come on up here with your train. You're going to place your train right next to mine. So I'm going to have 10 Unifix cubes. We're going to subtract Stevie's Unifix cubes. So take a look. 10 minus, let's actually push them together a little bit closer. Since mine is 10, you guys can see. Since mine is 10, take a look at how hers lines up. So what's 1 less than 10? 9. So our equation is going to be 10 take away or minus 9. What's 10 minus 9? Say Stevie gets to take all of mine. How many is left?
1.
1. So what's 10 minus 9?
1.
1. Good job, friends. Thank you, Stevie. Head on back to your desk. All right, raise your hand if you have something other than 9. Try to make another equation. Ooh, Isaiah, head on up. So I have 10 Unifix cubes. We are going to subtract. Let's see how many. Place them on right next to. So I like how he placed his Unifix cubes right next to mine because now we can see how many are we going to end up with at the end. How many are we going to end up with at the end, everybody? 3. So how many are we taking away then? 10 minus something equals 3. How many are we taking away? We're going to end up with 3. I hear some numbers. What is it, everybody? Let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3. Count with me.
4, 5,
7. So if I take away 7, Isaiah came up here with 7. And he's like, hey, I'm going to take away 7 of yours. How many am I left with? 3. Awesome. Thank you, Isaiah. Head on back to your desk. Raise your hand if you have a Unifix cube train that you'd like to bring up. Eliana. We'll go boy, girl, boy, girl. So after Eliana, I'm picking the boy. All right, we have girl, boy, girl, boy. How many Unifix cubes do I have, everybody? How many Unifix cubes do I I have, everybody? I don't hear everybody. How many Unifix cubes do I have? Thank you, much better. All right, Eliana came up. Let's just do me a favor, break it right where yours is. Break it right there. She's gonna break off my Unifix cubes and take a look. She's gonna place him in my answer box. How many are we gonna be left with? 4. Sorry if you guys can't see this white one. It is white, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 minus something equals 4. Take a look, friends. 10 minus something equals 4. How many cubes did Eliana come up here with? How many is she going to take away from mine?
4.
She didn't come up here with 4 because look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She came up here with 6. So what's cool about using Unifix cubes is that they're manipulative. And she can break right where they are so that way these look identical. Do these look the same height? Do they? Give me a thumbs up if they look like the same height. Online learners, give me a thumbs up if they look like the same height. Awesome. Yeah, they're the same height. So we know that I'm going to end up with 4 of my Unifix cubes. So how many did she take away? Let's read the equation. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Awesome. Thank you, my dear. Take that one on back. And I need one last volunteer. It's going to be a boy. I'm so sorry, girlfriends. Put your hands down. It's a pattern, though, right? Sun, moon, sun, moon, sun, moon. Kind of like our patterns in EL. Ooh, I got John Paul. Come on up here, John Paul. I have 10. I have 10. How many is he going to take away? Take a look, friends. Take a look, friends. How many? I want him to break right where, make my train look like your train. So break it right there. And then place this in the answer box. Ooh, take a look, friends. How many is he taking away? He's only taking away 1. So what's 10? If I had a train of 10, if I take off 1, how many am I going to end up with? 9. Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you disagree. Ooh, nice. Pat yourself on the backs, friends. I did not see any thumbs down. Awesome. Thank you, John Paul. Please take your 1 Unifix cube back. All right. Let me pass out the papers. Online learners, I'm going to pause the recording. Please put your name on the top of the paper. Online learners, this is on, it will be in a document form, just like the other day's lesson. If you don't have a printer, you may also write this on a piece of paper, okay? All right, my class, please put your name on your paper. Give me a thumbs up if you're done. Hold your pencil in the air if you're done. Oh, nice. Friends, do we do this in pen or pencil? Pencil. Miss Fisher, though, is going to be doing it in marker, so that way it shows up darker for you guys on the screen, okay? But we do math in pencil. Why do we do it in pencil, though?
Because then we go to bed.
Kennedy, I love how you're raising your hand.
Because if you make a mistake, you could easily erase it. If you use pen, you can erase it.
Yes, for our online learners, if you didn't hear that, if you make a mistake, you can easily erase it. So on our sheet, I'm going to put my name in the top right-hand corner. Everybody at your desk, grab your train. Grab your train of 10. It will help you. If you do not have a train of 10, that is all right. So how many cubes does the shorter train need to catch up with the longer train? We're going to write an addition equation to show. So we use, please take a look at the screen. We just use subtraction, right?
Yeah.
So we are going to be using addition. Everybody underline addition. Yeah. We're flip-flopping it on you guys. Even though we just used subtraction, we are going to use addition. All right, so how many, let's actually write the number of cubes are in this train. Once you're, add them, talk with your partners. Talk with your table groups. Once your table group is done, show me. Online learners, add them. Which table group is going to be done first? Oh, nice. I see red group, I see blue group. How many cubes are in this train? Oh, olive green group hand. Olive green group's hand is up. Green group, how many cubes? How many Unifix cubes in this train? 8. 8. There's 8. Friends, we can use computational fluency. Say computational fluency. Whisper computational fluency. Sing computational fluency. We know that kind of like our number racks, we know that if it's showing 10, friends, if those red ones are pushed over, we know that's 5. And we then can start with the larger number first, and then add 3 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Everybody add like that. Everybody take a look right here. Say 5. Add quickly. 6, 7, 8. Nice. That is using computational fluency. So we're going to write the number 8 underneath this train, so that way we know. All right, friends, using computational fluency, how many is in this train? 6. How many? 6. I know, my brain knows that if there are red next to white, that is showing 5. So I can say, oh, that's 5 plus 1 more is what, everybody? 6. Good job. So we have 8 and 6. Usually what we would do in that last problem, I would write 8 minus 6 equals, how many am I going to end up with? If I had 8 Unifix cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 6 more. I'm going to borrow some Unifix cubes.
You can use some of mine.
I'll borrow these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take a look. What we just did is we took these away. If I were to take 6 away from 8, how many is left? 2. But does it want a subtraction problem? Does it want a subtraction problem? No way, Jose. We want an addition. Take a look at the directions. Write an addition equation to show. So how can we write this? How can we write this? Think about it. Caroline, how could we write this? How can we write this with addition? Can we just flip-flop these numbers somehow?
Yes.
Yeah, we sure can. So let's put a plus sign. We're going to put a box plus box equals box. Box plus box equals box, right? So, which one is our larger train? 8 or 6? 8. So since it's addition, most likely our larger Unifix train is going to be the answer. So put 8 in the answer box. All right, let's plug in 6. How? Oh, dang, look at this. Look what the question says, friends. It says, how many cubes does the shorter train need to catch up with the longer train? So if the shorter train is 6, how many more to catch up with 8? Everybody right now, take your Unifix cubes of 6. Nice. Make a train of 8 because we know we need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 8. Now, make a train of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I want you guys to do is break it off evenly so that way they are the same height the same length, whichever way you want to put them, height or length. How many did you just break off? 2. So 6 plus what equals 8? 2. Good job, friends. All right, let's try one more together. All right, Speedy Gonzalez's. Take a look at this train. We know that the red equals 5. What's 5 plus 2 more?
7.
What's 5 plus 2 more, everybody? 7. You smart cookies. All right, let's take a look at this train. How many are there? How many are there?
5.
All right, how many trains are in this one? How many, everybody? 5. So I'm going to write these numbers right here just so that way I know. We don't want a subtraction problem, but we use the same numbers in the subtraction problem. So maybe we can use subtraction and addition. So let's make a train of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make a train of 7 with Unifix cubes. Now make a train of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put them together. You can either do it lengthwise or height-wise, your choice. Now, make them even and break it off. So, if I were to say 7, take away 5 equals, how many did I just break off of that train? 2. Let's plug it in then. 7 minus 5 equals 2. So now let's write our addition problem, okay? Let's put box plus what? Box equals box for now. Box plus box equals box. So remember, we want the largest number here. Which number is larger, 7 or 5? 7 is larger, so let's plug it in. How many are we starting with the small train? 5. Let's reread the question. How many cubes does the shorter train need to catch up with the longer train? How many? Let's see. We have 5 and we need 7. So make a train of 5. Make a train of 7. Oh, sorry, friends. I know it is. We have 5. We have 7. Take a look. If I were to break these at the same level, how many? 5 plus what equals 7? 2. Awesome job, guys. Do you see how if we just flip-flop these numbers, they're all the same numbers, 7, 5, 2, 7, 5, 2, but they're in opposite orders. We're using subtraction and addition. All right, friends, so we are going to finish the last 2 by ourselves. Online learners, upload a picture to your teachers. Thank you, guys.